Good morning, back at it again with another week of a day in the life video. I'm on hold right now with my gas company, so if you hear that in the background, that's why. It is Monday. I will be honest, I woke up like an hour ago. I didn't even go to the gym this morning. I just cooked breakfast, just had waffles and sausage, so I'm about to eat that and get this day started. I have a lot to do. Let's see how many tasks I have today. Only 13. Oh wow, this is great. Then I have 11 overdue though, so I'm gonna try to knock all these bad boys out. I wanna start working on some stuff while I'm on hold and eat breakfast so I can knock out like a few small tasks. So I'm working on something for one of my investor clients, and then one of my YouTube subscribers contacted me for a referral for a candle company. She sent me her current quote and wanted to see if I can beat that. So let's see what they're, oh yeah, this is super high. I can definitely beat this. I'm gonna go ahead and send this to my processor. Hopefully all the information I need is in the quote. So then I can go ahead and just not have to ask her for any more information. And I'm on hold with somebody else, so that's why the whole music is on. I'm trying to multitask today as much as possible because I have to go shopping for the networking event today. Over the weekend, I did get a quote request from somebody on Instagram. They're looking for some auto insurance. I think they're getting a new car. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that and then send them back that quote. Cause I was like not working this weekend at all, went hiking out of town, and they texted me, was like, hey, I need a quote, are you available? And I told them I can get back to them early next week, and I texted them all the information. And I'm really happy that I have templates in my phone of what I need, because then I was able to send that over and then get everything back. So when I need a quote, I don't have to reach out to them again. All right, so I got the premium finance agreement. So what that looks like is the down payment would be $620.70, and then you would have 10 monthly payments of $192.99.
Okay, hold on one moment. Let me write this down again.
Oh no, you're fine.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Kenny. I appreciate it.
Of course, you have a good one.
Thank you, Sammy.
Thank you, bye. So that was the client for the lab. Looks like she's gonna go with it. She said I had the best quote, so that's good. She was comparing prices a little bit, and so I'm gonna follow up with her by the end of the week to make sure that she still wants to move forward with that. All right, so I have a call. First off, look at my schedule for the day. I don't know if you can even see that, but look how many, it's a lot going on today. And I have things back to back. About to call this gentleman from YouTube that booked a call with me. Been wanting to get into insurance for a long time, about 2 years, been having trouble studying. Now I'm indecisive in what to take first and the first steps. So I'm gonna call him. This should be a pretty cool call. And then I have another call at 1, and then I have to meet with my client, business partner, friend at 2 to go shopping for the event. So I posted my day in the life video. Check it out if you haven't already. Well, the last one. And I have to meet my friend to go over everything for the networking event, go shopping for all the stuff. And I'm about to post my YouTube video on Instagram, like the new video out. What is it called? The new video out graphics that my assistant made. So I'm about to do that, get dressed really quick, head out. Probably not gonna record any of that because, well, Sean, which is the guy I'm doing the event with, he's kind of shy like in front of the camera, and like whenever I have it around, he hides. So I'm not gonna even open that can of worms today.
0.
And do you know what type of farm equipment he has?
He said it's a tractor.
All right, so going out tonight to this place to go to dinner, planning my mentorship program. So I'm excited, and getting some wings and some drinks. Happy Monday. It has been a busy day. I've been working Didn't even pick up the camera because I've been so busy. Things I'm working on now, I got a referral from a State Farm. They're looking at, well, they have a waterproofing crawl space business, and I had to reach out to a few of my carriers to see who could do it. They're sending over the apps for that now. Following up with one of my clients for her life insurance, and we need something from her doctor in New York, so we're just following back up, getting that. Also scheduling the medical exam for one of my other life insurance clients as well. And it was one more thing I was doing. I can never remember the last thing, but doing all that, I ate breakfast earlier today, but I'm super hungry. And then I think I have to meet a friend for the networking event tonight, like, you know, go over everything. And then I have a million other things to do. So I'm trying to go ahead and like eat now and then get back to work. And then at 4, I have a call with a YouTube subscriber about, I think, starting their business. I don't know, I'll look into it a little later. So I'm gonna go get some food now, scarf this down, get back to work. And some days, honestly, I'm gonna let y'all know, like, when you're working in the insurance industry and working for yourself, it can get overwhelming. Like, it can be a lot. Like today, it's been back to back to back, and I was working on something for one of my life insurance clients, and then my assistant buzzed me and was like, hey, I have somebody on the phone, it's a referral. And when it's a referral, you know, you wanna go ahead and get right on it. So I was like, you know, all right, send them in, and then got all that information, reached out, and I'm like, you know what, I have to go to lunch. And then I have like 3 things all at once I need to do when I get back. Happy Tuesday. It's only Tuesday, y'all, but good things coming. You know, I'm always grateful for the business sent my way, and we're gonna get it done.
I know we did the insurance thing like about a year ago. The little call that I did, the personal budget, you jumped on and talked about insurance a little bit.
Yeah.
Wanted to see if you wanted to partner up and do a like social media class for our partners.
When are you looking at doing that?
Honestly, I don't have anything on my calendar. It was just an idea that I was going to put together and do. So whatever your schedule looks like.
So that was a mortgage lender that I connected with at a networking event. He asked me to do a not networking. Yo, I'm mind. He asked me to do a social media class with him, like teaching, I guess, our partners how to, you know, be great out here. So he said he was gonna send me some stuff over. Right now, I'm filling out as much as I can with this information about this quote I got that I was telling you all about. So then when I call him, I don't have to keep him on the phone forever to fill out a lot of this. I wanna get this quote to him as soon as possible. Just trying to do a better job of doing that, like trying to get it to you the same day, or at least submitting the application. So I'm just working on that right now.
Hello, this is Michael.
Hey, Michael, it's Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today?
Good, you?
Good. I had a few questions for you if you had about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm filling out the application. They said we needed to submit an application in order to get a quote. Happy Wednesday. Today is the day of the networking event. Already went to the gym today. Happy Black History Month as well. There's a lot going on today. What I've done today, I met with one of the potential agents that is looking at coming on, sent her all the contracting, all the commission reports, all the good things. I had a call with a good friend of mine that's a business owner. He wanted to run some ideas by me. So now I am going through my email. I posted on social media today, like, you know, get a quote. So I had someone actually from high school reach out and put in a quote request. So I'm going to call him and see what he needs. And then for my to-dos today, my tasks, I do have, I have renewals. I have somebody I need to call and bind, and then just some follow-ups as well. Not that many things to do today, but I want to go ahead and get everything knocked out because I do plan on working a half day. So I'm gonna like work until about 11:30. It's 10:15 now, to get as much done as I can, and then go there, get a haircut, go to the bank as well. It's payday. Happy payday. So I'm gonna go and do that as well. I got some deposits in my account, so just reviewing those and doing some like billing type things. And yeah, it's a really good day. I'm in a really, really good mood, positive mood. My first networking event.
Hello.
Hey, it's Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today?
Hey, I'm doing fine.
Good. Wanted to reach out to you to let you know your renewal is coming up in a month. Through And I wanted to just let you know that, and there's nothing that you need to do on your end. It's going to renew automatically.
Okay, that works. Thanks for letting me know.
Just got off of a meeting with my web designer regarding my mentorship program, you know, getting the application and everything. So I am sending him all the information just so he can have everything done this week. Photo shoot next week. I'm very excited about this mentorship program. I'm very excited to help a lot of people to just, you know, make a change in this world. So I'm about to send him that. And then I have a few people to quote as well. All right, y'all, so I'm in crunch time right now. I have, hey, I'm gonna tell you one thing though, like this bald head, it's growing on me, for sure. I have to call this client to bind this policy. Then I need to follow up with underwriting for another client. And then I just sent a quote to a client. I talked to a new potential agent that's joining the team. So right now, just to give you guys an update on that, I have 3 potential agents joining the team, and I'm very excited. And of course, like announcements will come, you know, once they're working and producing and things like that. So stay tuned for that. And so I need to call these people now. I heard back from my web designer. He said I'm drafting it up and I'm gonna get right back to you. Very excited about that as well. All right, y'all, a few friends from the networking event. I appreciate y'all for coming. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. It is the day after the networking event. I couldn't have done it without my friends, my photographer, and Sean. I really appreciate y'all. Post is up on my Instagram, so go check that out. I'm like still like in disbelief that just happened last night. I slept in today, it's 10 o'clock and I'm really just getting up. I was tired and I got home, my head was throbbing, but it was definitely a good time. Great connections were made. It was a great time. It was definitely a great time. More networking events to come. I try to get as much content as possible. So I'm just lost for words about it. Hopefully I can find some words to talk about it, but now I'm working on, I actually got a referral last night from a real estate broker. She owns her brokerage. She services North and South Carolina, and she sent me the lead. So I'm gonna call this lady to get all the information I need. We can go ahead and close this deal. She closes in March, so in a month. And I'm gonna get all this information and then do the magic. I have a lot of emails, text messages, follow-ups I need to do. I only worked half a day yesterday due to the event, running around. It was a lot going on, so I'm going to get caught up today. Haven't even eaten breakfast yet, but it's coming. An insurance broker, what we do is we get the information and we shop the rate around for you, so you don't have to call around to all these different companies, and then I bring the best rate back to you at no cost. So it may take a day or two for me, of course, and it may take a day or two to get all the quotes back, but I wanna make sure that I have the best quote for you. All right, so I have all the information. I'm gonna start working on the quote now. Yeah, I'm just start working on the quote and see who has the best rate. So I'm gonna put it in the rater and then also a few carriers that I have. And with the Raider, it may take a day or two to get back, but like I, said in the conversation, or I told her, you set the expectation up front, like, hey, it may take a day or two to get back. Okay, that's fine, because she isn't close for another month anyway. But if you say like, oh yeah, I'm working on the quote, but you don't give them a timeline, they get like, not antsy, but like what's going on, like nobody followed up. So I try to give all of that information up front so there's no surprises. So I'm doing the quote now. It's a new construction home. It is a very beautiful home. Very excited for her. She's a little younger than me, so her getting her first house, and it's beautiful. And at a really good price, but the realtor we're working with, she knows her stuff, so I know that she, got her that good deal. So usually when I quote homes, I do have I get the information like date of birth, name, driver's license number, because some carriers require that, her current address, her new address, all that good information. But then like the home information, I don't get from the client or the prospect. I just go to like Zillow.com usually. And on one screen I'll have like my quoting system, and on the other screen I'll have like Zillow. And then you'll get some emails as well to e-sign everything and to create your account to see your policies. If you have any questions about that, if you don't see the email or what have you, please let me know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your service.
Of course. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, bye. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. I wasn't gonna work today, but I have a meeting with my assistant now. I did like a phone audit and just pulled some of his stuff, and just gonna review what I found, what we can improve on as a team, and keep it pushing. So I'm about to get on that meeting now, and then I have a lot of work. I have like 30 tasks to do in my to-do list, so it's gonna be a busy Friday. Get cut out, but going to be super busy today, so not recording too much. But I wanted to come up here and thank you all for rocking with me another week. If you've made it this far in the video, what do I want you to drop? I want you to tell me what is one of your biggest goals in the insurance industry. Like, what do you want for your career this year? I am continuously hiring agents. I have 4 potential agents right now, and of course you'll be on the journey as I onboard them. So if you're interested in joining the team, please reach out. I would love to have you on the team. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notifications, because we are dropping the video every week. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.